Scumbag Bill Scheiner sent out his lie factory, Stuart Stone, to lie about Mandi Jackson again, to put over a fraud on the public for a crime that didn't happen. First, Scheiner had Mandi Jackson's own crooked lawyers testify lies against her. Now he had Stone lie that Mandi's lawyers claimed Mandi confessed to the crime. I recently made a video where I detailed how Bill Scheiner had Mandi Jackson's lawyers testify against her, and their testimony contradicted numerous events which I witnessed. For example, her lawyers lied that Mandi never told them what happened that night, claiming they never heard any story involving Scott Love borrowing a motorcycle. But in a deposition before Scott Love's trial, attorney Matthews Bark asked Scott's roommate if Scott ever borrowed a motorcycle. Proving Bark either got this story from Mandi and lied about that, or he got it from Chris Dahl's lawyer, whom Carrie Rentz then took a bribe from to hide that Chris Dahl, not Mandi Jackson, helped Scott that night. The newest lie is that although Mandi recently testified that she did not participate in the crime, she previously offered to testify that she did participate in the crime. Stone is lying about what Mandi's attorneys even said. Mandi's attorneys Bark and Rentz are willing participants in another fake confession, abusing their innocent client for profit. Mandi Jackson never told anyone she participated in the crime. Her lawyers didn't say Mandi did, but Bill Scheiner is a shameless witch pricker. The problem was, Stone faked evidence that Scott killed Mulrenin wearing gloves, which showed premeditation. So why is Mandi using the dead guy's credit cards with Scott if she didn't participate in the planning? The answer is, there was no planned crime. A guy fell off a balcony. But because Mandi's lawyers refused to point out their friend CSI Smolarek faked the gloves and hid that Chris Dahl, not Mandi, provided Scott transportation, they refused to dispute that a planned murder took place. Refusing to confront their friend's scams, her lawyers had no explanation for why Mandi was using the dead guy's credit cards, except to say that murderer Scott forced Mandi to participate in using the cards, which her lawyers were too ashamed to have Mandi say to fit the nonsense. Attorneys Matthews Bark and Carrie Rentz are eager tools of their fellow liar Stuart Stone. They let Stone lie about their words to manufacture another fake witch trial scam that Mandi confessed. Don't ever hire these lawyers unless you want them to help everyone lie about you. This is the same Bill Scheiner who said the original investigation of Jeffrey Abramoswki was done in good faith. It's just a scientific debate about old DNA versus new technology. Scheiner never acknowledges the original DNA was produced by cops who lied on the stand and coached jailhouse confession witnesses to lie. Scheiner won't prosecute such liars, but will use the same scams again tomorrow.